STEM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering and Maths. It's absolutely fundamental that we equip young people with those skills which our future workforce will demand when they leave school, progress through university and get their first jobs. STEM is also a key priority within the Nottinghamshire City and County Employment and Skills Board. As such, we've been lucky enough to attract funding from the East Midlands Development Agency and work with Nottinghamshire County Council to take forward a programme called Nottinghamshire Innovates. We've commissioned 5 projects under the Nottinghamshire Innovates programme. These include STEM Stadium, a sports technology focused initiative which is helping young people explore the careers open to them and actually going in and seeing practical examples of how technology is applied. The missile electric vehicle demonstrates to young people how technology can be used to reduce the carbon footprint within the automotive industry. We also have Young Dragons, which is showing young people and helping equip them with the enterprise skills that they will need generally in business, but also particularly in growth sectors where STEM skills are very much required. We also have something called the Green Schools Project, which is looking particularly at energy usage and again looking at low carbon reduction. And finally, but not least, we also have a transitional programme which is using STEM skills to help pupils in Year 6 make the transition smoothly into Year 7.
The main reason for designing the programme as we did was that we recognised that many sectors, construction, automotive, aviation, they're going to rely on people leaving school with the right qualifications and the right interests. And obviously, therefore, employers are going to look for those same people. So it's really important that we can encourage as many people as possible from Year 9, when they're making their options at school, to consider moving into the STEM subject areas.
Well, each week, every time I come, I'm seeing and learning new things just as the girls are. It's amazing, yeah. Some of the things are things that I've seen for the first time.
Our project specifically used the missile electric vehicle to capture that latest technology. So we could interest students who would come here, be excited about the project and at the same time learn all about the way that motors are used, how motors effectively function, electricity, and also to increase their knowledge of environmental awareness so that we become less dependent on fossil fuels. Obviously, with the rising prices and the non-sustainability nature, obviously electric vehicles is definitely the way forward, looking to 2020 and beyond. We're delighted. The response to the car has been fantastic. So wherever the car goes, it really does create a lot of interest. Students come up to it, they want to sit in it, they want to have their photograph taken in it. So yes, it's definitely, we're very pleased with the uptake for the project, and we hope to use the car in a wider area when we go to more schools in the future.
Okay, the Innovation Green Schools project was set up for Key Stage 3 pupils to work on a recycling project and assess how effective their school was at recycling. The pupils have worked either individually or in small groups across various different schools, have tackled different aspects of recycling, from the school dinner ladies composting through to teachers recycling tea bags and paper. The idea is that they can have 5 skills-based sessions as well as the practical development of the project itself.
We've seen who recycled more, Miss Ferrer or Miss Elliott. And then we found out that Miss Ferrer recycled more because we put them all in a black bag and weighed them, and Miss Ferrer's had more weight.
Okay, so I suppose the Green Schools initiative has enabled me to bring in outside providers to deliver something that's outside the curriculum. It offers more sort of personalised learning for the kids that want to go for this Bronze Crest Award. So that's just something extra that the Holgate School can offer their students in science. So I think that's been quite good. I'm really keen for them to get this Bronze Award, and it's just offering something else that, you know, they've maybe not done before.
The transition project was designed to give schools a chance to develop the activities that they did with the upcoming Year 6 pupils. It was also a chance for pupils in Key Stage 3 to develop skills around designing and delivering, build their confidence and teamwork skills, because they will be providing activities for the Year 6 pupils on the transition days.
Yeah, I think this project has been about sort of promoting science within school and getting the kids more involved and engaged, and not just within their science lessons and the curriculum sort of things outside curriculum-based activities, and also bringing more topic-based kind of things in. So for example, the oil spill that they've been doing today and looking at designing rockets, but then linking in all those investigational skills that come with it from there. So yeah, the engagement that's come from them has been brilliant. So.
It's fun because just cleaning up all the oil and an experiment with other types of material is quite fun, and you learn how to do different things with different materials.
You have not science days, but there is transition days that come here, and you see them for about an hour at a time in science. However, it's been really good actually getting them back in and looking at it through the eyes of the Year 8 pupils as well, getting them involved a lot nearer the age range to the Year 6 pupils, talking to them about the difficulties that they found, the changes between primary school, secondary school, finding out what they really enjoy about their science lessons as well, to actually promote and help with their Year 6 pupils across that way.
Hello and welcome to our presentation. We're going to explain to you what our product is and why we think it's worth buying.
Our product is a hook that can be attached to any form of mobility aid, such as mobility scooters and wheelchairs.
People with mobility with trouble when shopping, our product will help them. It is unique and there's nothing else on the market.
We've designed different prototypes and we're going to make some next week to show at our final. And then we've tested different materials to see which one would work best on our harness and how we can develop it from there too.
Well, out of this project we've learned how to work together, help each other and cooperate with teachers and other pupils.
Since then, we've been doing different ideas like making different designs and interviewing people such as Jack STEMdvd, who's in Year 8 and he is in a wheelchair. And we've been interviewing him and asking questions and trying to improve our product and making a better presentation in time for the final.
But out of our product we've learned how to work together and think of an idea that could help other people.
It's been really useful that the County Council have backed this product, because what our students have done this time round, instead of just thinking about themselves, have thought about others and looked at products for those that may have a need in the wider market. Well, obviously to have fantastic students representing us at a final is a big thing. We've already had success, but this one's another opportunity for us to go and showcase our school and show everybody out there how well we're doing.
We were pleased to be asked to do this because from our point of view we like to work with the local community and especially young people to raise their aspirations, so from our point of view it was a really good thing for us to do.
Back in December we were invited to Loughborough University with a group of Year 9 pupils, and we chose 30 Year 9 pupils who were either gifted and talented in PE, sort of sports science interest, physio and things like that, and also some gifted and talented pupils from science, and kind of put them all together, took them down to Loughborough, and basically they were shown around Loughborough University Sports Technology Unit and saw Jabulani balls, how equipment was tested, spoke to PhD students, went to see the HIPAC Centre, had an amazing day. We came back on the bus and the kids were like, "Oh, I so want to go to university, it's great."
I like the idea that we've been told that we're going to design a stadium, because I like that kind of thing, how we get to design things, and it just doesn't involve, like, you've just got to do this, but it also involves that we've got to include what the athletes want, what's best, and yeah, things like that.
To think about all the different elements of it.
Yeah, and then this morning when we came in, we had a whole day, we really got like stuck into it, and I think it was really good like thinking like why we did certain stuff in a way that would like to the athletes'
And it was really
needs.
good at the end when we had it all sorted and we got to present, because we put a lot of effort into it and a lot of work, so it's a good feeling.
Today they've been putting together, they've had some really good tutorials, and it's just been fantastic, and they're just presenting it now, and really proud of them actually. They're really impressive, and hopefully going to do some more STEM programmes in the future.
This programme is about young people in Nottinghamshire having an opportunity to see how their STEM skills could be used in the technological advances of today. The STEM skills are vital for the future of the UK economy, and these projects present students with a challenge in which they can be fun to participate in.
They've seen the range of different careers that are actually possible just within this, the sports setup. I think they've been quite amazed at the facilities that they've seen and all the laboratory testing, and I think it probably has made them think a little bit more now about what sort of careers they may want to pursue, particularly if they are interested in science subjects.
Working together, we've brought forward a fantastic opportunity which we're extremely proud of, which will make a big difference to the lives of our young people and their future prospects, and also provide the skills that employers need for their future workforce. Working together, we can have and continue to have a prosperous Nottinghamshire economy.